Let's take a look at some of the awesome laundry deal that Dollar General has this week. Let's get into it. Let's go. We have a new coupon for when you spend $25 on qualified items, you get $5 off. So we're going to pick up one of these Purex priced at $10. And we do have a $2 off one coupon in the app. So we are going to clip that. Next, we're going to pick up one of these Persil liquid detergents priced at $5.95. Make sure it's this one in the purple label. And we do have $1.50 off one coupon. Next, we're going to pick up one of the Purex crystal beads. These are on sale for $3.75, and we do have $1.25 off one coupon in the app. And lastly, we're going to pick up one of these Snuggle fabric softener priced at $8. And guys, make sure you do have that 5 off 25 clipped for any day this week. So this is everything that you should have in your cart for this deal. Again, make sure all your coupons are clipped and your total will come out to. Your total will only be $17.50 before tax. Or if you want to wait till Saturday, guys, to use your 5 off 25, your total will be only $12.50. So it's a great deal for these laundry items. Next, we have an amazing deal on these laundry products. We have a buy one, get one free. We're going to pick up one of these Gain Odor Defense. These are priced at $18.95. So we're going to pick up one of these. And make sure you're picking up the 184 fluid ounce. Again, these are $18.95. And we're going to pick up one of the Gain Flings. Their higher count priced at $9.95. And with that coupon, we're going to get this absolutely free, guys. And check your account, see if you have this coupon. So clip it. So we're going to pick up these two items. Again, clip your buy one, get one free. And also that $1.05 coupon if you have it. So your total will only come out to be $17.90. Again, that's for any day this week. But if you want to wait to use your 5 off 25 for Saturday, your total will only be $12.90 for these items. We have an awesome deal on these Gain beads. They are $7.50, and we have 2 coupons that are stacking with these. Your final cost will only be $4.45. And we have an awesome deal on the Downy and the Gain fabric softener. You pick up one of the Downies priced at $12.95, and we have 2 coupons that are stacking together. Or you could pick up one of the Gain fabric softeners. They are the same price, $12.95. Again, the same coupons do apply to this. So you could pick up either the Downy or the Gain fabric softener. And we have these 2 coupons that are stacking together, which will make your final cost at $8.90. That is not bad deal for these laundry items. Follow me for more deals like this.